Want to learn the ins and outs of editing your product? You're in the right place. This is the 5th video in the Starting Out series for Nation's Photo Lab. This video offers an overview of all of the design tools at your disposal. This is the best part of the web-based ordering. Let's have some fun. No matter what specialty or press product you've chosen, one of the first steps is to click the Customize button on the lower right of the screen. This ensures that you have a larger number of tools to create with. Let's start with the My Photos tab. When you hover over an image, a larger example will appear. Don't have any of your photos or galleries set up? Please take a step back and watch the Creating Your Gallery video. The Add Photos option up near the top and bottom of the screen is still in beta mode and is not always successful. To add a photo, simply click and drag into the workspace. One of the best design tools is the Edit bar. By clicking on the image, the Edit bar will appear. The Move option does just that. You can click on the image and move it to a new location. If you're not impressed with what was created, you can hit the Delete option or the more highly recommended Undo option located at the top right of the screen. For the Resize option, you can adjust your image by moving the cursor from left to right, right to left. If you see this warning, it means your image may not have enough pixel information to print at the viewed size. The next option on the Edit bar is the Rotate option. Again, you cannot easily make adjustments by moving the cursor up and down. To rotate this image, we'll need to move the cursor in a side-to-side motion. I know that this image was originally a portrait and is currently being viewed as a landscape. To adjust this, I've chosen the Edit Photo option. We can adjust this specific image by rotating it into frame, zooming to get a closer look, or panning to adjust the crop. Once I've decided on the final product, I can either hit Cancel or Accept. The Crop option lets us remove or add some of the image to our liking. If we've added 2 or more images and they overlap, the Send to Back option is very useful. Whether you have a preset theme or not, the Set as Background option is a very nice way of expanding an image across the whole project. Once an image is set as the background, you can also adjust the brightness to really make the images in the foreground pop. Now, obviously, this doesn't quite work with the kiddo's head popping up in the back there, so we're going to try a pre-made NPL background next. Under the Background tab, I've chosen the Kids folder and the yellow crosshatch design. Let's review what we've created so far by clicking on the Preview button. As you can see, part of this image is wrapping around the side. We'll want to hit the back button and use the Move option to adjust it. In the Clip Art tab, I've chosen the Button folder and a green button. I've made this button smaller, but I want 3 more of them and I need them to be consistent. I could cut and paste the button or copy and paste the button by using the tools on the upper right-hand side of the screen. This is a great way of replicating an item without having to readjust it each and every time. Upon moving an item in the web-based ordering software, it automatically offers a horizontal and vertical axis guideline. This is a really nice feature if you want to keep things symmetrical. To add text, please click on the Text tab, then drag and drop the ABC icon into the area you'd like the text to appear. You can adjust the width of the text by expanding or contracting with the side-to-side cursor motion. Don't worry, if the text box isn't the right shape or size, we'll be adjusting that below. To start typing, please click in the text area at the bottom of the screen. To view the many font styles available, just scroll down the list. There's a ton to choose from. You can also adjust the font size just as easily. For this example, I'm going to change the font color to white and adjust it to a centered layout. The final touch is that I'm going to choose a watermelon background hue at an 85% opacity. You know, that text box still needs adjustment. I'd like to make it a bit bigger, so I'm going to hit the Enter key at the beginning and end of the phrase. See how it expands the size of the box? I think that works very well. Okay, let's preview this project and add it to our cart. Now, this is the time to really take a moment, check for spelling errors or the placement of your image. Once you're ready to add it to your cart, you will get a disclaimer saying that you've reviewed your project. And there you go. This video just covered the basics of design. We know with all the creative clients that we have that we're going to see some really exciting projects. With the web-based ordering system, you have the option of adding multiple items to your cart. We also charge up front. To learn more about checking out, please watch the next video in the series. And thanks again for joining Nations Photo Lab.